Hey 7th grade math, welcome back to your videos. I'm just posting this video real quick to kind of give you a synopsis of how to multiply and divide integers. So our goal for this lesson is to be able to multiply numbers with the same sign or divide them, and to multiply or divide numbers with different signs. This should be a fairly quick lesson. We just got to make sure that we understand our two goals that we talked about in class yesterday. Alright, so first of all, we have the rules. If we have the same sign multiplying or dividing, it's going to be a positive answer. So a positive times a positive, that's a positive. Negative times negative, that's still positive because we have the same signs. Anytime the signs are different, that's negative. So same signs are positive, different signs are negative. Make sure you remember that rule. When multiplying 2 times 3, we're really taking two groups of 3, and 3 plus 3, that's 6. So 2 times 3, that's 6. And this is a positive 2, that's a positive 3, so that's a positive 6. That's a correct answer. Let's go ahead and do another example. Alright, example 2, we have negative 5 times negative 6. And a negative times a negative, well, if we're thinking about it, it's a negative and a negative. The signs are the same, answer is positive. So our answer is going to be a positive. And a negative 5 times negative 6, 5 times 6, that's 30. So our answer is positive 30. Negative 5 times negative 6, positive 30. Let's do 2 more examples. Alright, so in this example we have negative 7 times 9. So we have a negative times a positive. Signs are different. Since the signs are different, our answer is automatically negative. 7 times 9, that's 63. So our answer is negative 63. That's all we got to do for this lesson. Alright, so example 4, still multiplying. We have 4 times negative 8. This is a positive times a negative. Different signs mean negative. 4 times 8, that's 32. So negative 32 is our answer. And if you struggle with multiplication, one of the things that you could do, if you didn't know that 4 times 8 is 32, you could draw 4 circles. And in these 4 circles, you could put 8 little dots. And then all you got to do is count your dots, and however many dots you have, that'll be your answer. Just understand the rules that whenever we have a positive times a negative, that's negative 32. So we have 4 groups of negative 8. So this would be like negative 8, negative 8, negative 8, negative 8. So 4 groups of negative 8 is going to be negative 32. So if you struggle with multiplication, you can always go back to drawing circles based on this is how many circles you should draw, this is how many should be in each circle. Let's go ahead and switch to division. So here we have a positive divided by positive. We have 24 divided by 3. That equals 8. Now, if you struggle with this, what you would do is you would start by taking, we have 24 things to give away, and we're going to give it away to 3 groups. So what we do is we draw 3 circles, and in each circle, what we got to do is we got to give 24 to each one. So we start by going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So what I did there was I distributed 24 things to 3 equal groups. So the divided by 3 means I'm going to split it up 3 ways equally. And then I counted the 24, and each time I counted, I put it down in each one. So 24 divided by 3 is 8. Now, you don't have to do this method, but if you feel like you struggle with division, this is a way that you can figure out what division actually means. Division is where you're splitting it up into equal groups. So a positive divided by a positive is a positive. So 24 divided by 3 is positive 8. And if you need help with division, you can always split it up into equal groups. Draw some circles and then count until you get to the number you need to get to. All right, So let's go on to example 6. So here we have negative 15 divided by negative 3. So negative divided by negative is a positive. 15 divided by 3 is 5. All right, one more example and we're done for the day already. So last example, we have negative 21 divided by 7. So negative 21 divided by a positive 7. Negative divided by positive, that's negative because signs are different. 21 divided by 7, that's 3. So that's it for today's lesson. Just remember, whenever multiplying or dividing, the rules are the same. Keep them the same. Positive times a positive is a positive. Negative times negative, that's a positive. Positive times negative, that's negative. And negative times positive, that's a negative. Anytime the signs are the same, it's a positive. Anytime the signs are different, it's negative.